की खूब और का बातें से टीवी sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish or darmapi minwan ramangi hakhrdop ying jongpi.
Hadim Blue Jingtip bu Vice President Jangkari India Ujagdeep Dhankar Ruan Chenong ba Shillong haga khandru trik urusau arajar phosau keseng nyotrep integrated theatre organization niki Hito kelapha ka khubo chu Vice President bulit Peit dalagi jongi Khmat yagi jingsa den jongi jaka ba pher haga nega jella ke Hito kelapha langru bagadur shangi ban pini yagi jingsa den jonga jella haga roi ka par ka jingjot ka surak bar kumta ter Klepin ngoro ka khubor show Vice President bola ulit Peit yagi jaka basa din unyo I de lagi jongi Khmat yagi jingpau ki kam Bamsap ha kani ga jella usketri jonga Hito Shillong City ubala jit jerwa ulong baga sarkar India klathe de 1000 klor tingka shakani ga jella nila da Vice President un Peit un sayo I shenu ka pisa ka len
The Vice President of India, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, will be visiting our state tomorrow and thereafter tomorrow, the 16th and 17th. We are very happy to receive you, and we are happy that you will be visiting a few of these places, of these tourist spots places in our state. We are very happy, but we also would like to extend to you our invitation and a brochure to you that you would like to see. That you would like to see while visiting our state and see the underdevelopment that is happening under our state. You can look at the different level of corruptions that is happening in our state. The central government is sending us thousands and thousands of crores for development in our state, but if you look at it, if you look at the development in our state, at the infrastructures and everything, it's lacking behind. The amount that is sent from the central government to the amount that is being spent on the ground is not matching at all. So we extend our heartily welcome to our Vice President, and also to visit these places in all these places that we are giving in our brochures, so that you can look at the corruption that this government is happening. The corruption under this government is happening, and that the people, how much the people are suffering in the state. So that's all. I would like the Vice President also to look at the brochures of our brochures and visit these places that we have mentioned in our brochures, so that you can have a complete understanding of what is happening in the state of Meghalaya.